Hello guys, this is Meral Machine watching Thunder at Sea. So today I am going to discuss about the GP rating routine, all the routines followed by GP rating cadets. There are some schedules of GP rating cadets like at the 5 o'clock you have to wake up and you have to prepare yourself up to 5:30, and after 5:30 you have to perform your PT till 6:30, and after that at 6:30 this is the time of your breakfast, and you have to do your breakfast between 6:30 and 7 o'clock. After that you will get some time to prepare yourself up to 8:30, that is your time. You can do your studies, take a bath and all the things. You will get time between 7 to 8:30. At 8:30 you will have to do muster. Your warden or your PT in charge will do muster. 8:55 you have to present in your class. So there is, as I told you in previous video, there are 3 batches like GP1, GP2, GP3. So my batch is GP3, so I am sitting in the class of GP3. So your lecture will start from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So there will be lunch break between 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, and after that again your 2 lectures will start as like previous, 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. At 3:50 there will be a little snack time, that will be of 10 minutes. At the 3:15 you will be leave for snack time in canteen, and you will come to class at 3:25. So there again your class will conducted again. So that time at the clock of 3:15 to 5 there will be some practicals, like 2 practicals per day there will be scheduled. After that at 4:40 they will leave you and you will come to your cabin, or you can say accommodation. At 6:30 there will be dinner time till 7:30. At 9 o'clock there will be a muster. Muster means that is only a head count and some parades. At 9:30 you will be free and you will take rest. So there are some books we got today, like seamanship book and GSK, MEK. So it is the MEK, and its second part is GSK, and there are some journals like this. This is a practical journal which have 25 marks, and this one also of GSK. Both are given to us today. All the stationaries will get all the things. So that's it in today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.